yeah. I always wanted to go and sit out like that.
You just see me sitting on there looking out the window. It's lovely, isn't it?
I love this, quite like Scotland.